No two persons, not even identical twins, have the same fingerprint. Let's uncover the mystery behind these one-of-a-kind marks. These tiny ridges on your fingertips, called dermatoglyphs, form before you're even born and stay the same for life. The patterns, whorls, arches, and loops might seem similar, but the details are what set your prints apart from everyone else's. Even identical twins who share the same DNA have different fingerprints. So next time you look at your hands, remember those tiny lines are a testament to the incredible mix of genetics and life in the womb. Pretty amazing, right?